We're going from acne to amazing in just a few easy steps, so grab your coffee, settle in, and let's dive right into it. Step 1. Duplicate the layers. Alright, first things first. We need to make some backups because we don't want to mess up the original. Hit Ctrl+J twice to create 2 duplicate layers. That's like your Photoshop insurance policy. Now hide the top layer for a moment. Click that little eye icon. We'll get back to it soon. It's just taking a coffee break. Step 2. Apply median filter. Right-click on the first copy and select Convert to Smart Object. This is like putting it in a protective bubble, so we can make non-destructive edits. Next, head over to Filter, Noise, Median. Set the value to 45. This step helps smooth out those rough textures, but don't worry, we're just getting started. Click OK. Step 3. Solid Color Adjustment Layer. Now let's add a bit of color to this beauty treatment. Click on the Adjustment Layer icon and choose Solid Color. For the color, use this code. It's like we're giving our image a little blush. Click OK, and then right-click on the solid color layer, convert it to a smart object, and change the blending mode to Overlay. Boom! We're already looking smoother. Step 4. Add noise and Gaussian blur. It's time to add a bit of texture back so it doesn't look like a plastic doll. Go to Filter, Noise, Add Noise. Set the amount to 8%. Click OK. It's like sprinkling a bit of magic dust. Then head over to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and set it to 1 pixel. Click OK. Nice and subtle, just like we want it. Step 5. Unhide the top layer. Okay, let's wake up that top layer we put on a break earlier. Unhide it, right-click, and convert it to a smart object. Change the blending mode to Vivid Light. It's like turning on the glow effect. Now go to Filter, Other, High Pass, set the radius to 1.2 pixels and click OK. This sharpens the details while keeping everything soft and smooth. Step 6. Group the layers. Select all 3 layers. Just hold Shift and click on each. And then press Ctrl+G to group them. We're putting them all in a neat little package. Right-click the group and go to Blending Options. Here's the fun part. Hold Alt and drag the right slider to the left, then do the same for the left slider. This step blends our changes into the image, making it look natural. Step 7. Invert mask and start painting. Almost there. Add a layer mask to the group and press Ctrl+I to invert it. Now grab the brush tool, set the flow to 9%, and make sure the opacity is at 100%. Make sure your foreground color is white. And now, it's time for the magic touch. Gently paint over the areas with acne or rough spots. Take your time and watch as the imperfections disappear right before your eyes. And there you have it. Perfectly smooth, flawless skin without making it look fake or overdone. If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome Photoshop tips. Let me know in the comments if this helped you or if you have any requests for future tutorials. Until next time, keep creating and keep having fun with Photoshop. See you in the next one.